Hey guys, how's it going? Good? That's wonderful. Do you guys like my new voice? Hang on, I'll do it again. Don't, Mom, don't exit. So, how's it going?
Don't kill yourself.
Hey guys, how's it going? I really miss you. So, guys.
Tell them about your day.
It's been good. Yeah.
It's enough. You're gonna pass out.
Hey guys, how's it going? Sound like Fred.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, say goodbye, because I'm gonna.
Okay, bye guys.
What
bye. I'm getting really dizzy. I need to probably.